Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic, just like myself. Look, ladies and gentlemen, I truly do believe this time is different. Now, I ain't kidding. Look, we talked about it. We talked about it. How this area got swept, right? This area got swept, and we talked about how the market structure has been different overall. This compared to this time, and this time. Correct? We've talked about it. So, I truly do believe the fun part is going to be here sooner than later. I truly do believe it is time to get your final bags in, as I do believe this is going to be it. Look at render. Just look at render. This is the daily chart. So what does this mean? Each candle means a day's worth of data. So we pretty much at 1 day, 2 day, 3, 4 day. 4 days ago, this thing was $1 less. All right. And 5 days ago, you could have even got it for cheaper, right? Like $1.20 less. Think about it. And the thing is, that's crazy, is the Bitcoin dominance is still so high. The other thing that's crazy is Bitcoin isn't like, yes, it's gone up a couple thousand, which is obviously always respectable, but it's not like it's pumping, right? And the main thing that's really like cucking us right now is like this. It's a dominance, right? Because like I already explained a million times, once dominance starts dropping, Bitcoin kind of holds its price, starts dumping between that area, that's when we have to sell. All right? I already explained that. But seriously, like, guys, the fun part is gonna happen very, very soon. Look at Turbo. Turbo also expanded. Solana, like trying to like from this area, starting to expand. Our PNG, lovely coin, right? From a technical analysis side, if you look at multiple coins, like multiple coins filled up imbalances, right? If you know what that means, just know like it's pretty much uh just know when an imbalance usually gets filled, that's good in terms of how the market structure is. Okay. So a great example is you see how like there's this big pump, right? Eventually we had price and data pretty much fill this area up. You can see we're all the way down here, which is pretty much good enough, right? We could see, we could see that. And so what does that mean? I mean, when the market fixes itself and it starts doing things in a very technical way, the fundamental way, that usually means it's probably not going to ever get there again unless there's some serious crash, the world blows up. And I couldn't be more excited and happy. Like, I'm serious. Like, stack your bags. Not a financial advice, hands up in the air, because obviously, blah, blah, blah. But I'm so serious, guys. Stack your motherfucking bags, all right? Like, do you want to make money or not? Remember, people, when it's things are low, that's when you're supposed to buy. I know this like sounds like the craziest advice ever, and people like joke, buy low, sell high. But unironically, like literally 97% of you don't do that. Okay? You don't do that. You literally don't do that. So like what and like think about it. Well, what is the point? What is the point of seeing something like at 5, 6, 7, $10 and be like, nah, but then buying like at 70 because now you want that 10x because you saw other people get 10x. Like, come on, man. Nah, this is a different type of video. This is one of those where just like talk, rant. Look, peak first peak. Now I might be in the finance industry. I might be making money for the trading market, but sometimes I'm still kind of brain dead. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys have a great day. Things are changing in the market and on this channel very soon. Goodbye.